the world according to Jason. Today we are in somewhere in Lower Manhattan, I think. I'm not really good with the neighborhoods here, but we are at Suki and we're here to try out some legendary Japanese curry and a gyudon and some sushi. So our first couple rolls have arrived. We have a spicy tuna roll, and then we have tuna and cucumber that looks like it has a spicy mayo and eel sauce on it. So let's give this a shot. Look at that. This looks delicious. Get a little bit of soy sauce. Oh man. Oh. The rice is delicious. That tuna is super fresh. It's got the perfect amount of heat. Oh, I'm in love. All right, now let's try the regular tuna with a little bit of spicy mayo, unagi sauce, and cucumber. All right. Let's give this a shot, see how it is. Both are delicious rolls, and they have unique things like I love the crunch of the cucumber in the tuna and cucumber roll. It's just this beautiful contrast, and everything is super fresh. And then that minced tuna with the spicy sauce inside is just, it is a beautiful thing. All right, well, we're gonna polish off these rolls and wait for the rest of the food to arrive. All right, so our next roll arrived, spicy salmon. We got this one without the eel sauce on it because we wanted to be able to share with Kelly, who cannot handle the wheat that is in that sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and just take a little bit here. It's so creamy. Oh, this is just a salmon roll. Not spicy, but wow, that salmon is super fresh. I love the flavor of salmon. Yeah, this is an amazing roll too. All of the rolls we had are super delicious, super fresh, super flavorful. So I am super excited for the gyudon and the curry that's coming. All right, our gyudon has arrived and it looks so amazing. It's got green onions, sesame seeds, and beautiful beef, very thinly sliced beef. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh. That beef is super tender. I love the taste of the green onions and the sesame seeds. And then the rice, I mean, rice just goes good with everything. Definitely an excellent dish, but I'm kind of glad it came in this order because the thing I'm most excited about is the curry, which is coming up next. So stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Many months later.
Okay, so you may be wondering why I'm wearing different clothes than just 2 seconds before.
Okay, Editor Jason here. A little embarrassing. I did not realize I was wearing the same outfit as I had been wearing a few months prior. What had happened is we had come to the city to film a different video, but the weather wasn't very good, so we ended up scratching that and coming here to finish the curry review and outro, as you will soon find out. But now that that's out of the way, let's get back to the video.
Well, it turns out that we had a connection issue with the mic and the camera, and so it didn't record the entire curry part or the outro. So we came back because this was good. So you won't see my genuine first reaction. Maybe I'll put a little clip in here, but you'll get to see, you'll actually be able to hear what I'm saying. So this is the chicken Katsu curry. Then we got a level 3 spicy. They have 5 different levels. This is level 3, so it's kind of medium, little bit towards the spicy spectrum on the medium side. And then we got rice and extra curry, and then they also gave us some pepper flakes. So we're gonna go ahead and try the curry first, just as it is. All right, here we go. This is just as good as I remember. This is the closest I've come to like cocoa curry in the US. And cocoa curry, as you might know, is my favorite curry in Japan. So this is amazing. The heat at level 3, I could probably do a little bit more spice. Me and the Titanium Colon were talking before this, and all of the spicy videos that we've done recently has definitely like increased our tolerance levels. So I probably could have gone over the 4. If you're a weakling with spice. This might be a little too spicy, so I'd recommend maybe a 2 or a 1. But this is so flavorful. This is so delicious. The chicken, perfectly cooked. The katsu batter is nice and crunchy, and it's not like super oily, but it's so flavorful. And then, I mean, adding the rice on top of that, so good. Let's try a little bit of chili flakes. You're gonna just see how hot it is. All right, let's go on in and see how it is. Not super spicy, it just adds a nice flavor to it. A little bit of a peppery kick, but really, really good. This is so amazing. Well, folks, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. I sure hope you enjoyed yourself. We're gonna polish this off. Titanium Colin has his own curry plate as well, so I don't wanna keep him waiting too long. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button, make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell notification so as soon as the new videos drop, you're gonna be the first to find out about it. Thank you again for sticking around to the end, and until next time, stay curious.